Morning, Fusioners. My name is Jeremy. I've gotten a couple of messages wondering what the cabin noise is like with the resonators cut off on my 2012 Ford Fusion Sport. I just left my apartment, went through, or stopped at that red light and started the camera, so I wasn't, admins or whatever, moderators, don't take this down. But this is some daily driving that I normally would go through on my regular basis. I'm about to get up to highway speeds here. Just over 80 right now. We're slowing down, we're under 80. So I'm not sure. We go 75. This is where I set the cruise at. So I just chill here. And I've got my windows all rolled up. I don't know if you can see. It's 8:24 this morning. Nice 64 degrees, perfect golfing weather, which is what I'm on my way to go do. Figured while I was on my way to my buddy's house so that we could go golf in this tournament this morning, I grabbed video. Had 4 messages from different, between Ford Fusion Club and Fusion Nation since I posted my resonator delete video. Early April. Didn't know about it because I don't get messages. They go in the other inbox unless you're currently have a chat going with me or you're a friend of mine. I don't know if it's a setting or if it's me or if it's Facebook. But I don't get those. So this is, I got the cruise set at 75. I don't know. I got the camera mounted up on my moonroof, so it's fairly central to the cabin. It's right in line with where my head is at. Not sure what it picks up in terms of bumps, vibrations. But as you can see, I've got 2 hands. So I am not holding camera. One hand here, see, right hand, left hand, see, denote ring, denotes left hand. I'm actually controlling it from my phone, and I haven't updated my camera yet, but the app updated, I don't know how long ago. Because I haven't updated my camera, I can't see the preview on my phone right now. So I guess this is one thing I'll have to do when I plug it in and edit the video for this. But we got some nice clean pavement here. And all I'm hearing is road noise. I don't hear any drone from having a resonator cut out. Just road noise. Wheels on the road. A little bit of radio. We'll take care of that right away. And then you'll hear nothing but radio. So, answer. So it's not that bad. Sounds great from takeoff, especially merging on, get it back up to that red line there. 6,000, 6,500 RPM. You get past that like 5,000 RPM mark, it starts, I can really start to hear the intake suck. It starts really drawing air. I'm glad I went with the InGen. Great intake. It's way down there, pulls in all that nice cold air. Especially this morning, 65, 64 degrees. It might be a little warmer than that. External temperatures fairly close. It's within, 3, 4, 5 degrees. So it's not that bad. degrees, not Celsius for you, you know, non-imperial standard. But no biggie, whatever. It's not bad when you're cruising around. Can't really hear it. No cabin drone. Though I've watched a couple of videos, you know, with my headset on to try and get a good feel of how it would sound from other people having, you know, mounted a camera either on their headrest or something. And it just, I don't know how they put up with it. And I've messaged a couple of them on YouTube, and they said that all they've done is just had resonator taken out. Mine doesn't sound anything like some of the videos online, and I only have the resonator cell, the stock exhaust. You know, just have that big section of pipe cut out, you know, like 2.5 foot, whatever it was. You know, that's all that I had taken out, and just put, you know, welded a new piece of pipe in. Good sound here from launch. Well, let's get dirty in a Chevy Aveo Lambda Chi Alpha. Get up to 60. Had a lot of road work down here in GR this summer so far, and they've usually been opening, if it says, you know, road work, you know, usually they've been opening it for the weekends, but apparently down here isn't trafficked enough for them to bother. And there's a bunch of gravel and shit on there. I don't want to really drive through that. So I don't know what exactly they're doing down here, but apparently it involves transporting a lot of gravel, because around a couple of the entrances it just basically looks like dirt. Not sure if you can see it, but that is the main FedEx hub off of Grand Rapids International Airport. Planes and cargo come in, they get unloaded there, and they get delivered to us GR residents or shipped elsewhere. Got a couple of big semis that they can take, especially going up north. There's a few airports, nothing really. Down here is, you know, Traverse City up north, probably the bigger one, the biggest one outside of the two National Guard bases in Grayling, and then I don't know if it's Air Force Reserve or something like that in Alpena, but they have their own private airport that is military use only. Yeah, road noise, not a whole lot from resonators or from the exhaust. You can step on a little bit, and then you can hear it again. You don't want to be doing 80 to 55 on my way to a golf tournament in the morning. Especially with my turn coming up here on the other side of this hill. This little bump. Slow me up. Brake. Check over driver's side shoulder. Check over passenger side. Nobody's coming. Alright. Let's merge into traffic. You don't want to go too fast up through here. So you got this immediate, not immediate, but right angle, right turn. It says 15. You better be doing 15. Because it brakes and goes downhill hard. But then the rest of this, I don't know. Pretty much just suggestion. Oh, take this at 35 or take it at 55. You don't have to worry about it. This little hairpin, I don't even really call it hairpin, just one gently turns to the left, and then straight out for a little bit, and then gently turns to the right. Follow the river. Kind of wish I would have mounted my camera with my little head attachment, but I don't think you guys would be seeing a whole lot of that then anyway, because I sit up fairly tall in my car, so if I were to turn to look at the river, you guys would just see headliner. Can't see it now because the trees or leaves are in full effect. It's really cool because down along here there's a little island that just seems to have been like cut out from the rest of the land, and it's like maybe 10 feet at most from where the current shoreline is to the bank of that, and there's a house on it. It's got power lines and stuff all running to it and everything, and guy lives on an island. I don't know if it's a summer home or what, but I think that's awesome. Just like, yeah, I live on an island, or I have a piece of property that is an island and there conveniently a residence on it. But alright, Fusion Nation, Fusion Club, sport owners, whichever. I'm about to my buddy's house, so I will stop the video here and I'll catch you guys all later.